yes, I bought a new smartphone after 2 years, and that too a folding device. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. I'm really excited to announce that I have bought a Galaxy Z Flip3. I really liked this device since its launch back in August, whether it was its design or the overall package. Hence, in this video, we will be talking about this device, and I will be telling you why this folding device is probably the best folding smartphone out there for most people. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. So firstly, the unboxing experience. Let's say it was pretty simple, I think. So firstly, you get a very thin box. Firstly, there is the handset itself covered in plastic. Then there is the USB Type-C to C charging cable along with some paperwork. No charger in the box, obviously. Do note that I had a Galaxy A70 smartphone which I traded it for this device. It had a 25-watt adapter along with a pair of earphones. They didn't took away the charger or the earphones, neither the box, only took the device itself, which I think was very good. Okay, now let's talk about specs of this device. Snapdragon 888, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 and 256 gigs of storage. Unlike the last iteration of Z Flip, this device comes with a top tier processor, and which means there are no compromises in terms of performance. In my experience so far, I have not experienced any lags or stutters so far, and even the 8 gigs of RAM is more than sufficient for this device. Okay, now let's talk about the display of this device. This device has a folding 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, which is one of the best displays out there, especially considering it is a foldable screen. No compromises here. There is a crease in the middle of the device, which you might feel while scrolling your finger up and down the display. The device also has a cover screen which is 4 times larger than the last iteration. This screen can be used as a viewfinder to click selfies with the main cameras, which always provides better pictures. The cover screen also displays many useful widgets like time, number of steps, stopwatch and many more. The cover screen of this device is probably one of the most biggest improvements since the last Galaxy Flip. It has become much more useful than before. I hope Samsung adds some more widgets to add to functionality that is already available to this device with an OTA update, so that this becomes even more useful. Now let's come to the hinge. For any folding smartphone, hinge is the most important part of it. Samsung has improved its hinge to make it more durable. So much so that this device is now IPX8 water resistant. Still no dust resistant, but hey, it's still remarkable for a folding smartphone. Because of this hinge, you can set your device at any angle, such that you won't require a tripod for maybe shooting a time lapse or doing a video call, which is simply amazing. And then there is the flex mode, where some apps like default camera app allows you to have controls on the bottom of the screen and content on the upper part of the screen, which I think is simply great. Okay, now let's talk about the design of this device, which is probably my favorite part. Oh, I love the design of this smartphone, probably one of the most fashionable devices out there. The device has a matte finish, so does not allow any fingerprints and smudges, which is actually pretty good since I have very sweaty hands in general. Okay, now let's talk about the camera of this device. It has a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 10 megapixel selfie. No fancy 100 times zooms or 108 megapixel camera like you see on Galaxy S21 Ultra. So if you want the best camera out there, you should go for Galaxy S21 series devices. These sensors do their job of providing a decent level of photographs and video quality. Not the best, but you won't be disappointed. And then there are some things that I really don't like about this device. Firstly, it is the battery life. At 3300 mAh, this device has only 1 day battery life with at most 4 hours of screen on time. Since that 120Hz OLED panel with Snapdragon 888 drains a quite lot of battery. And then there is the charging speed. This device only supports up to maximum of 15 watts of wired charging, unlike the other Galaxy devices like S21 series and Z Fold3, which supports 25 watts. And then there is lack of the DeX functionality by Samsung, which is again a bummer, I think. So conclusion, at $1,000, this is one of the most cheapest folding phones out there. Even with the average battery life and other compromises, this is a very decent package for the price. It has top-notch specs, amazing display and a great design. It has a decent level of camera, which might not be best out there, but it does its job. Most people won't be disappointed with this device. Hence, that's why I think this is the most reasonable folding smartphone for most people out there. And I will go as far as to say that I prefer this device over Galaxy Z Fold 3. Well, that's pretty obvious. That's why I bought this device. But I personally think that this is a much better package than Z Fold 3 for most people. That's my opinion. So that's it in today's video. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know down in the comments below whether you would like to have a foldable device as your daily driver or not. And yeah, see you soon in a future video. Thanks for watching.